Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure only your friends can see your email address on Facebook. Keeping your personal information private is important, and luckily, Facebook gives you control over who can view details like your email. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once it's open, look up to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. That's your menu icon. This is where all your settings and privacy options are located. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on that, then tap on Settings. This will open up a list of all the main settings for your account. Now, under Account Center, tap on Personal Details. This section controls all of your personal information, including your contact info and how it appears across Facebook. Once you're in Personal Details, tap Contact Info. Here, you'll see your phone number and email address linked to your account. Tap on your email address to continue. After that, you'll see an option that says Facebook account. Tap it and you'll notice another option labeled Change Visibility on Facebook. This is where you can decide who gets to see your email address on your profile. To make your email visible only to your friends, choose Friends. This means your email won't be publicly visible anymore, and only people you've added as friends will be able to see it. And that's it, your email privacy is now updated. These few quick steps help protect your personal information from strangers and keep your Facebook profile more secure. So, the next time you want to adjust who can view your details, just remember these easy steps. Taking a minute to manage your privacy settings goes a long way in keeping your online presence safe and comfortable.